In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add theme to Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome. Next, look for the Customize Chrome option. This is the place where Chrome lets you personalize the look and feel of your browser. Click on Customize Chrome to open the customization panel. If you are on a new tab page, this option is usually easy to spot. This area gives you access to visual settings that can help make your browser feel more personal and easier to enjoy using every day. After opening the customization menu, select Theme. This is where you can browse different visual styles for Chrome. Themes can change the background, colors, and overall appearance of the browser, which is a simple way to give Chrome a fresh new look. Depending on what is available, you may see a variety of theme options, from clean and minimal designs to more colorful or artistic styles. Take a moment to look through the available themes and choose one that matches your preference. When you select a theme, Chrome will usually show the change right away, so you can quickly see how it looks before continuing. If you ever want to switch to a different theme later, you can return to the same Customize Chrome section and choose another one. Adding a theme to Google Chrome is a quick customization, but it can make your browsing experience feel more polished and personal. That covers everything you need to know.